So something a little bit brighter today. This is Orly Terracotta, and it's very slightly pinkier than it shows up here. I would say it's more of a warm pink. Fortunately, it's a rather thin brush, which I don't do very well with because I've got quite wide nails. But there we go. Some of the Orlys have a new, slightly wider brush, but some of them still have the thinner brush, some of the polishers. And the formula looks relatively thin, so we'll see. I might have to use 3 coats possibly for this one. It seems a little bit sort of thin and silky on the consistency side, so we'll have to see. So as usual, I started with a base of 2 coats of the OPI Natural Nail Base Coat. That is such a pretty colour, and actually I was quite surprised with how it went on. I thought it would be very thin and difficult to apply with it being a thin brush, but actually it spread out beautifully, and I think it's going to cover in 2 coats. So I shall apply the second coat now. So that's built up lovely on the second coat. Quite surprising, really. So I think this manicure would benefit from a high gloss top coat. So I shall apply my favourite gel-like top coat, which is Essie Gel Setter. So I think that's turned out beautifully. Really lovely. Like I say, it's slightly pinkier than it shows here, more like a really warm pink. But it really is a fantastic colour for the summer. And the gel-like top coat really shows it off. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.